Well, hi, Eddie. It's Saturday, March 30th.
May 29th.
May 29th, 2010. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're out in the pool on this bright sunny day. And Eddie's in the float, relaxing. Eddie! How's you doing, Eddie? Hi, baby. No, go get out, Ed. Lay back down, honey.
Get Bill up in that thing.
Bill was just in the pool. He doesn't like it so much. He tolerates it, but we have to fake him out to capture him to get him in here. He's sitting up in the chair relaxing. Hi, Bill. Are you drying off, baby? You're a good boy. He's watching his brother in the pool with his daddy. Oh, we're out of the raft. Hi, Eddie. Are you hanging out with your daddy? It's gotta feel good.
Yeah.
It's about 80 some odd degrees out.
Bill.
Hi, Bill. Do you want to come back in? You want to come back in, Billy? No. You gonna go hide? That's my towel, you turkey.
Bring it here, bub. Honey.
Yes. Pool water's up to 92 degrees.
Thank God for
Beautiful.
huge carbon footprints.
Amen. How you doing, Eddie?
He's not so sure.
You gonna let him out? Oh, he's trying to swim. He doesn't quite have the hang of it. He tries, though. There you go. How was that, Eddie?
You're not so sure about that, are you?